Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's once again, and welcome to the vlog. So today is my recovery day, and shout out to Lavard, man. I'm gonna link his channel down. That last video that he posted was very inspiring, man, and definitely gonna have to step my game up in these next, upcoming videos. But just finished rolled out real quick. I'm about to go on a recovery run. More so, I'm going to be pacing. The pace is going to be more so like a 10K pace, right? So I'm going to be going really slow and easy, just getting my cardiovascular health and conditioning up and allowing my muscles to recover from yesterday's lifting session. So I just rolled out. I just did a quick foam rolling like in my back line, my posterior chain. Now I'm gonna go do this run, and then post run I'm gonna come back and get like in the nicks and crannies with a deeper trigger point kit. So I'll show you guys that as well. Anyway, just all warmed up and let's hit the pavement. Let's go. So we made it to the track where I'm just gonna be doing a couple of laps of like tempo runs. It's pretty hot and muggy out here so far, so good thing I hydrated before I headed out. I drank like 16 ounces of water. Now I'm about to just go and do a couple laps with some tempo runs and then jog right back across the pond back to the crib. All right, let's go. All right, laps are done. Heading around the pond now. So like a little quick figure 8. Oh man, feeling good. Let's go. I think about a mile to go. Come on, let's get it, C's. Let's go. All right, look at that. Fucking drenched. Wow, that was a good one, man. I just did the figure 8 around this pond over here and the track right behind it. Now I'm just gonna go and get me some more water, like replenish, because I am thirsty. It is hotter than I thought it was gonna be today. Then I'm gonna go and do a couple of errands, because the day is just beginning. Whew, all right, let's go, man. Man, that much needed gator water. Look at me, dog. I am drenched. It was definitely much hotter than I thought it was gonna be out there. But I got my miles in, and right now I'm just gonna dry off and drink some of this gator water and do my trigger point session, and that'll conclude my movement of the day. If you want some inspiration, I'm gonna leave the link to Lavard's recent video down below. Truly inspiring and definitely motivating, all right? So go check him out. He's on a different level, and I'm trying to get up on that level myself. So tell him your boy sent you. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.